What happened?
A card. Thank you for the delicious meal. Follow the clues to find your presents.
What happened?
So we have to find our present. There's a clue, so we have to
Where's the clue?
we have to go find it. I'll find the present.
Guys, don't you think we should wait for everybody to wake up first before we do anything? Because you guys just woke up and the first thing you did was to run downstairs to look for presents.
Okay,
Unfortunately, you don't see any presents under the tree. What did Santa say?
So he said, thank you for the delicious meal. Follow the clue to find your presents.
Okay, we're gonna. But do you know where the clue is? We are gonna find the clue. We are gonna look for the clue. You don't check the place where you kept food for Santa now. Yeah? You kept Santa's plate and cup.
Oh yeah.
These are. I think this is the clue that Santa left you.
Yeah. So I am.
Wait, not yet. Just give me. I will hold it for you. We will wait till Daddy wakes up.
And Grandma.
And everybody is ready to be downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Until you take a shower. So we'll just leave it right here. We'll wait. Daddy will wake up. We'll take a shower and then we'll work on it, okay? Okay?
Okay. For Maker.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Wait, they don't see you guys. I say it again.
Merry Christmas. We can't find our presents yet because it's actually a game and it's a clue. So right now we're making like waffles with Santa on it, and it's a clue. And then after that, when we are done eating, we'll go do the clue.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
I want to know.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay? Merry Christmas, everybody. It's 25th December. It's still morning. Time to make breakfast. Today is family PJ day, so everybody's on pajamas today. Except Grandma, because she said she wants to be on another outfit. Anyways, the kids are gonna have waffles with egg and turkey bacon this morning, so I'm trying to whip that up for them.
Ew, yucky.
What is ew?
I don't like this yucky whitey.
Is it not the thing we use in doing pancake?
Oh yeah.
How is it yucky?
When we eat it.
So pancake is yucky when you eat it? Mama, help me pour the milk.
Can I pour the milk a little bit too?
Sure. Mama, pour.
A little bit?
Pour. Okay, MK.
Sky, can you get down?
MK, come. You're tall enough now.
Okay. Can you push? Sorry.
Hold it well.
Let me push my tail.
Pour. It's okay. You want to pour? Alright, no, your turn.
She will pour all of them. I poured kind of too much. Mommy, can I do it?
Yeah,
Stir it.
I have to stir it first before I give it to you.
Stir. Oh yeah, have it. Ah! Can I do it now?
Mama, hold on.
Oh my gosh. Let me see. Ooh. What is that? Oh, more milk?
Mm-hmm.
Can I know
too thick.
Is it my turn?
Let's mix it proper first. Mama, yes, stir.
it faster.
Don't cough inside the pancake as a pancake mix or whatever. Don't cough inside it.
Oh, okay. After your elbow snowball. Sky, can I try now? Okay. What? Jesus Christ, Mommy. What? Whoa, that scared me. I didn't know that. Okay, let's not try. Wait, I'm almost done. Here. No, not too hard. Beer snow are kind of good. Yeah. Let me try. Ow, my hand hurts. Okay, Sky, I have to keep pushing your hair somewhere. Your hand is hurting. Let me help you. And then you put it too tight. Okay, that's. Owie! Boo boo. Oh, wait. Snow, can I try? Look, Santa. Oh my god, I have to look. God, how does Mommy do that very fast? I don't know. Like this? Oh, yeah, kind of fast. Where? Oh my god, that. How would we make a bead? Okay, no. Oh my gosh. Ew, yucky. I always say yucky. Sorry? Do you like pancake and waffles then? No. Oh my god, you don't like them? I want waffle and an egg. Ow. Not pancake. Yes. What?
Oh, it doesn't use cooking spray, praise God. Okay.
How do you cookies?
So I got this waffle maker from
Walmart?
No, Macy's.
Macy's.
Yes, I got
That's a kind of store.
Yes, so and this is my first time of using a waffle maker, so
It doesn't mean what?
I said this is my first time of using a waffle maker.
Yeah, but what's the thing that you said that it doesn't mean earlier? Cookie?
Cooking spray. Normally, I usually use cooking spray or oil or butter when you're doing pancakes, and I was thinking to need it, but it says do not use cooking spray. So that's good.
Oh my gosh, Sky, you can try. I can't wait. Yeah?
Yes, I do. Okay, Mama, thank you very much. Oh yeah. What does clue number 1 say?
So it said, I am so teacher.
Daddy, wait, hold on. Okay?
Ow.
Sorry.
What happened?
He said his tummy is hurting. Because let him alone.
I am something used to clean your clothes.
I am something used to clean your clothes.
What am I?
Answer.
To clean your clothes.
Yes.
Washing machine.
Well, that's your clue. What do you call it there?
What? Something to wash your clothes. What? That English is wrong. It says don't
Clean.
your clothes.
Let's go. How did he get it?
Let's go, guys. Okay.
Shh, don't wake me up. Maybe he's sleepy.
So that should be somewhere here.
Did you on the
I
light?
found it.
Did you on the light?
I found it. It's in the washing machine.
Oh yeah. Grab it. Whose one is that?
It doesn't say a name. What is that?
That's Sky. That's your own.
Yay.
Wait.
This
MK,
one
let me
is
help you bring it up.
This one is snow, I think.
Wait, MK. Yeah, that's snow. MK, come. Take it downstairs.
Snow!
Rush out.
We found your present. I didn't open it. Nothing.
It's when she was dragging it out from the washing machine. That you
It's
It's when she was dragging it out from the washing
I
machine.
want
It's
to
okay.
open it. I think it's a stuffed animal.
MK, wait. Let them open this one first.
I opened mine. Wow. Daddy, that's right.
That's not for you.
Mama, where's
Okay, where's the clue?
That's not for you. That's not for you. You gotta follow the clues. You gotta follow the clues. Oh yeah.
next?
Me.
Next one.
I'm the one. I am something used to organize your shoes. What am I?
Organize shoes?
Your shoes, yeah. What do you use to organize your shoes?
No, it's your turn.
Snow, where do you put your shoes? What do you use to organize shoes?
That place now, that cupboard where you keep your shoes.
No, the black thing. Oh, you don't.
Okay, where's the
Yeah,
black
where
stuff?
is it?
It's not
Where is it?
downstairs. It's downstairs. So something must be
It's
there.
downstairs.
Be careful.
A big one.
Wait, don't shout. Just everybody wait.
This is snow. This is snow.
No, that's your own. The big one is yours.
Oh my god.
Wait, everybody wait.
Snow, hold on. Would you be able to carry it? Let me help you.
Everybody help me.
What could it be? Dominoes?
Careful. No, let me help you.
Mommy, which one is good?
Look for
Okay, look for
the
it,
one
look
that
for your
has
name.
your name, Mama. Look for the
Snow,
one that
let's
has
go
your name.
upstairs. You can do it
You
upstairs.
can do it upstairs. Take it upstairs, okay? Take it upstairs before you open it.
Phoenix.
That one is Phoenix?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold Phoenix over for her. Which one is that?
Let me see. To Sky.
Sky, that's yours. That one, which one is that?
Okay, this
Oh
one
yeah,
is
everybody bring it upstairs. Don't open it there. Bring it up.
Whose name is written there?
I like this
No,
present.
don't open it yet.
Whose name is written on it?
No.
Where's your name?
It's on the side.
What?
I need
The other side.
Oh my
big.
What?
I think this is from grandma. The other
Okay,
grandma.
from your grandma. From your grandma.
From your grandma.
Wait, it's not your time. Oh my gosh.
Go ahead, Snow. Open it. That's fine.
That's the ball. Oh my. Sorry.
That's fine. You good, Snow, boy. Okay, Mama. Go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
How the heck
Oh my goodness.
MK, that is from grandma, okay? You can open yours. You can open it. Help MK because that one is tough. Double wrapping. Double wrapping.
Where's Snow's own from Grandma?
What? Look at.
Oh, you gotta open it.
Wow.
Oh, you gotta tear it again. Tear the wrapper again.
You got
I love you, Grandma.
Mommy, let's go for your little. That's what I like. Yes!
Wow.
Oh my gosh! I should open this.
Don't tear it, MK.
You don't need to. You find how to open it.
Mommy, I like Barbie. Daddy, I like Barbie. Where's the glue? Let's find some more.
Mama, can I be using this with you, please?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Look at the hair.
Yes.
2 colors.
Mommy is coloring.
And she loves the show. And she loves the Barbie
You
show.
have to build it up. You know that, right?
I'm so excited. I'm so happy.
Look at that from Grandma. And these two, you have so many presents this year.
Yes. I really like Barbie.
Your tummy hurts. So sorry.
Okay,
What's next?
read the next one.
I am a place where babies sleep. What am I? But I.
Read it well. I am a place where newborn babies sleep. What am I?
That person I go back there, that's where baby used to sleep. So something is reading right there. Be careful, guys.
This one is skies.
No, is that sky or snow? What does it say?
Sky. What's needed?
What does it say?
Let's go
Sky?
back to the one where
No way. It's already on.
What is that? Who did it say?
Phoenix.
That's for Phoenix. Oh,
MK.
MK?
Grandma.
Another one? You have another one, Mama?
What does that say?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mama, what's that?
Yes.
Mama, what is that?
Another Lego.
Snow, okay.
Another Lego.
Jeez. MK, are you not so blessed?
That one is from Grandma MK. Snow Boy. This is from Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. I like it.
From Daddy's mommy. Mama, do you know what that is? Look at the picture so you tell me what it is.
Okay, Boya.
What is that?
Makeup.
Yes, makeup.
Yay, makeup. I'm so excited.
Makeup. I wish I had this too. I love this.
Another Oreo. Yo,
Scooter, is that?
Hot Wheels.
no.
Hot Wheels. What?
And they're all cars. And Grandma, look at
Yeah.
there's a car. And you can share
Grandma
me.
knows what he loves so
And you
much.
can share me.
Next.
Next, what's the next clue?
Keep this.
Where are the clues? MK, I gave it to you. Just threw it away. Where is the clue? Emu, where did you keep the clue?
Grab it.
I'm gonna hold 3 of them.
Oh, your next clue is what?
Mama,
Yes.
these are yours.
I am something used to organize your book. What am I? Up there.
Your what? Did you read it?
Book.
Is books only upstairs?
Oh! We have to check here first. Yes! Yeah! Oh, I found Phoenix Stone already. What? This one is mine. This one is mine. This one mine.
What does it say, Mama? Look at the name. Oh, Snow.
What What is that? Is that yours, MK?
What does it say? No, what
How
does it say?
did mine get
MK? What does it say?
There's no name on this.
No, there's name on it. There's always name on all of them. No, this is Phoenix. See Phoenix. There's a name here.
Mama.
Maybe there's no one here right now, Mama.
Okay.
What the heck up there? Oh,
MK, what's that?
a domino frame.
Yeah. Snow, what's that?
I don't know.
That's a game.
Ah!
That's a game that you're gonna be playing.
Ow.
There's a game. Let's see. Let me help you open it.
Can I open this?
Not yet. We'll have to clean up all the wrapping sheets first before we open all the
Snowboy.
toys. Come
Over
see
here.
it.
So now you came asking me for my phone.
Wow.
Now you can play the game.
Wait,
There's so
what?
many games there.
Mommy,
Yeah, you can come and you're gonna be playing like that, okay?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Hold on, let me show you.
Oh, that's a real phone.
Yeah, it's like a phone, but it's just for games.
Oh.
Hold on. Hold on.
Where's my teddy bear?
Snowboy.
Grandma, do you have
There
my
you go.
teddy bear?
You want to feel like throwing up?
Where's my teddy
Quietly. So we don't wake baby up. Quietly. MK, wait. Bring all of them. Bring all of them. Bring all of them downstairs.
Okay.
Let's go.
This one is mine.
Don't open it yet. Let's go downstairs. That's yours. Tell us not to come. Snoop, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go down.
Yes, what Snow has.
Okay, and then we have the last one. And what does it say?
Which one is that?
Okay, what does it say? Can you read it?
Where is mine? Kids. Oh, it's for all of us. Kids. Wait, open it. This might be a very surprise. I really want this.
Laser gun.
Me too. Laser guns. Yeah, glider gun. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Grandma.
I'm gonna play.
Grandma.
Hey, Mama, come and see you.
Thank you. We honor
They
you
put
like
it
it.
on.
No, where the fun? Baby, go careful.
I'll play this.
Mama, come over here. Come over here.
Please put on.
Come over here. Come over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Can we clean our mouth?
Yeah, clean your mouth and cover up this.
Okay.
Oh my God, you have cleaner.
I can do it all.
You have cleaner too.
How do you block, Daddy? How do you block?
I think it's
Oh my
hold
goodness.
on. Let's see. Don't move. Let's see how blocking it. Let me see. Don't move. Stop pressing anything. Stop. Let go.
Start with pink.
No, you gotta.
Mama, wait, how do we bring it out even?
We have to cut it.
You have to cut it.
Whoa.
Wow! Tony, no, the other way.
No,
This
I'm
one.
losing.
This way. If you turn it this way, it comes up. Now, you can rub that. Don't keep turning it,
It's
Mama.
okay, Oya Rob.
You gotta be careful so you don't rub it all over your face, just on your lips, okay?
Yay!
Wow!
Can we do this one? Can we do this one?
This one?
No, that one.
Okay, right here. Come, let me.
Good.
Good?
Now,
Are you sure what about eyeshadow?
glitter.
Puder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's
Puder.
where's the other one?
You use puder?
Is it this one?
What color do you want to
Any color you want. What color do you want to use for me?
This one.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Which eyes?
Is it coming out?
I think I put that's the one away.
Okay.
There you go.
It's coming out.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do the other eye?
Yes.
Okay.
The one?
Yeah, that one. What is it called?
Purple. Purple.
The color is purple. So what are you rubbing on Grandma's eye?
Purple.
I know it's
Purple
purple.
what?
What is that? Is that eyeshadow?
Yes.
Okay. What about glitter?
Glitter? Yes.
Glitter. Where's the glitter?
No, the glitter is in the same palette. This is your glitter. You see the two?
Mama, this is glitters. Are you gonna?
This one is for your nails,
Put this
Mama.
for me?
You're supposed to use
Yes, I will put that for you.
No, Mama, you're not done with my face already. Are you done with my face?
Not yet.
Okay, finish with my face. Bring the big brush.
Which is it?
Look at it. It's over here.
Wait. Oh.
You
Do
use
my
it for
face.
the glitter.
With this one?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
Is that is that where to put it? Okay. What about this side?
Okay. What? That one is not coming out.
It's not coming out?
Yes.
You have to rub it well.
Put it where? Come on. Is it coming out now?
Yes, it's coming out. I see it from here. You see it? See right here.
Is it okay?
Yes. Now, what you want to do? Fingernails.
No, not fingernails, Mama. What about my lips? My lips. Where's the? No,
Which
this
one?
one.
Oh, there.
Yeah, put this one here.
This one.
That one. Open it.
How can you open it?
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Open it. Bring it up. My lips. Done?
Yeah.
So, it's okay. Thank you.
Why do I keep mirror going down? One, this one?
Dry as I get wet at the place I am stored. Wait, is this not where they are keeping towels?
Answer the riddle.
Is it a riddle?
It's a clue now. So when you answer
I
it, you know
dry.
what it is.
As I get wet. How can you be getting wet and be dry? You have a towel because everybody towel can mean. I'm the king of the jungle and I'm a twin. I'm separated from my twin by a river. Among the people, I'm not coming to see this thing. The king of the jungle is it lion, tiger, and then I'm a twin. I'm separated by a river. Which kind of wahala be this? I don't know this one. The other one.
No, you're getting
It's
it.
where
Just take your time.
I cannot take my time.
What is the king of the jungle?
It's tiger now.
Okay, no, it's lion.
Lion.
Okay, but and he's a twin in this house. Kebe lion between in this house, separated by a river.
Is this the river separated? It's inside the distance. Oh my God. Among that, you don't know how to hide something. Oh jeez.
No, it's wrapped. Look for something wrapped. I don't know what you're looking at. They've given you the clue of the area about in here.
I'll see it. Wait, Mama. Get down. I'll see it.
That's you. Can we see?
twin. You don't want to check the other twin.
I see your shadow there.
Twin.
There are 2 lions now.
What?
I'm the king of the jungle and I'm a twin. Ah, Jesus Christ. You have to listen to the clue.
Mama, wait. Jesus, this thing is heavy. This is so heavy. Mama, wait. This one will not finish in 5 years' time. Jesus,
You have one more clue that belongs to you. Look for the one that says grandma. There you go.
that one is towel. Where towel?
I dry while I get wetter.
That's what I was like. Look at Jesus.
Quiet.
He's big. Guess what? Daddy. Jesus! I'm going to put a present to my
We're checking Daddy Mama.
Mama, come. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. This one is Grandma is
I'm going to use this to sleep.
yes. I'll use it to sleep.
Let me open this.
Hold on.
Hey! Oh my God. Better than what I've been looking for. So beautiful. Oh my. Where did you get all this from, Mama? Thank you. You like my. What's that?
Dominoes.
That you pour the carton. You would have waited now. You don't tear the carton because that's where you store it when you're done playing.
Why you always repeat cartons?
I didn't. What if it does right now?
So when did you repeat?
Oh God, I'm not doing it. Where's the other one? Just Mama. Jesus. I hope you check the expiry date to see that it's very, very far cut. I'm not gonna finish it in a one. For 2 years, I'm gonna be taking this.
I'm not going to last for 2 years.
Jesus.
Came what they expire. Don't check the date though.
2024 December.
1 year
time
now.
next year. Oh my.
Is that one for you?
Yes, Mama. You want to smell nice?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I'll say
This, wow, the smell is exquisite. Jeez.
That's all.
Yeah,
This is.
it's exquisite. It's heavenly.
Let me see what it smells like. Floral.
Yes. Of course, it was in my. I need that this year.
Oh yeah,
already.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh, it smells like you.
Yes, it's me. Floral smell. With the body lotion. Uh-oh, sealed. You gotta come out there. Mama.
Is it for sun creams?
Yes. for sunscreen.
When we go to the beach.
No.
It's lotion.
That's Mama.
Smells so nice, isn't it? Yeah.
But
smells so nice.
you forgot. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
No, that's the small one.
That's the lipstick.
No, it's not
No,
the
that's
lipstick. It's still
perfume.
perfume. This one is for your purse, handbag, when you're going to church, you know?
Yes.
Yes. In case you forget to spray perfume, so you just bring it out and shh, shh, shh.
That's Mama.
It's time for Phoenix to open her present. Phoenix, I take.
Phoenix, here you go. You got Phoenix, here you go. That's for you, Mama.
Yay!
No, but this is against the Phoenix.
Yeah, that's Phoenix. That's for Phoenix.
Stop playing with it.
Oh my goodness! Say thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
I love you.
Thank you guys for watching. We enjoyed our Christmas yesterday. The kids are currently not feeling too good, but at least they had fun. They loved all their presents, and yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.